Intro, Motor Cars Reviews. Welcome to Motor Cars Reviews. Today, we take a closer look at one of Honda's most stylish and efficient commuter bikes, the Honda SP125. Known for its premium design, advanced features, and excellent mileage, this bike has become a favorite among daily riders. Design and build quality. The Honda SP125 comes with a sporty and aggressive design. Its sharp LED headlamp, sleek fuel tank, and bold graphics give it a modern and dynamic appearance. The build quality feels solid and durable, staying true to Honda's reputation for reliability. Engine and performance. Powering the SP125 is a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that delivers around 10.8 brake horsepower and 10.9 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is smooth, refined, and offers impressive throttle response. With its 5-speed gearbox, it performs exceptionally well in both city traffic and open roads. Features and technology. Honda has equipped the SP125 with several advanced features, including a fully digital instrument cluster, silent start with ACG, and the eco indicator. The bike also complies with BS6 standards, ensuring cleaner emissions and better fuel efficiency. Ride and comfort. The suspension setup with telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks provides a balanced and comfortable ride. The seating position is upright, making it perfect for daily commutes. The bike also handles potholes and rough roads with ease. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by a front disc and rear drum combination, offering adequate stopping power. The bike also features CBS, combi brake system, for enhanced safety during sudden braking situations. Mileage and price. With a mileage of around 60 km per liter, the SP125 is among the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment. It's priced competitively, offering excellent value for money given its features and performance. Conclusion. The Honda SP125 is a perfect blend of style, technology, and efficiency. It's ideal for those who want a reliable daily commuter without compromising on looks and performance. Thanks for watching Motor Cars Reviews, your trusted source for honest and detailed vehicle insights.